Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Summer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano natin malaman yung room assignment natin sa civil service. So let's say kung mag-exam tayo ngayong August 11 sa civil service. So for example, hindi natin alam kung anong room number natin. So kailangan natin siya i-search online. Okay, so madali lang guys. So first, i-open natin itong Chrome. Then search lang natin itong ONSA. Ayan. Okay, yung Civil Service Commission. Ayan, erpo.csc.gov.ph or yung ONSA. So, pag nahanap natin yan guys, so pupunta tayo dito, i-open lang natin yan. Okay, so ngayon, ilalagay natin yung last name, first name, middle initial, and then yung date of birth natin, then yung details of examination, kung kailan tayo mag-i-exam, and then yung type of examination, yung professional ba or sub-proof. Okay, so ilalagay natin ngayon. So tingnan natin yung sa akin kasi nung nag-post yung BARM, hindi ko nahanap yung room number ko. So ngayon, titingnan natin kung lalabas dito. Okay, so ilalagay natin yung first name natin dito, and then yung middle initial, and then yung birthday natin. Okay, so ayan. Then dito sa baba, yung date of exam, kung kailan tayo mag-exam. So August 11, 2024. Ayan. Then yung type of examination. So ayan, yung professional level tayo. Okay. Then CSC office, kung anong office tayo, kung anong region. So hanapin natin yung region natin dito. So sa amin is BARM. Ito sa pinakaibaba, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Okay. So ayan, pindutin lang natin yan. Then check lang natin itong box. Then ang next na gagawin natin is submit lang natin. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, lumabas na school and room assignment. So ito yung room assignment ko guys, yung school name Notre Dame Village National High School, school address, ayan, Rosary Heights at Cotabato City. So ito na yung room number natin guys. So ayan. So ito yung room number natin. Ayan. Okay, so meron ditong important reminders. Wearing of face mask shall be optional or voluntary. Okay? So no ID card, document, no exam. So kailangan natin magdala ng ID guys, valid ID. So ito, basahin lang natin ito. Kailangan 6:30 AM or not later than 6:30 nasa school na tayo. Okay? So ito yung dadalhin natin guys, yung ID card original, then yung black ball pen. Ayan. So, nandyan lahat. Then, personal alcohol and hand sanitizer. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, ganoon lang guys. So, pwede natin siya i-print. Ayan. Meron ditong print page. So, pwede natin siya i-print guys. Okay? So, tandaan natin itong mga dadalhin natin guys. Ayan. 3 lang. Okay? And then, yung mga reminders. So, ang pinaka-importante dito is yung ID card, black ball pen, and then yung personal alcohol hand sanitizer. Okay? So, ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple guys para malaman natin yung room number natin sa paparating na civil service exam. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Summer TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Sukran and wassalam.